Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to reopen Facebook community standard disabled account. So before proceeding further, watch this video complete and you have to follow each and every single step very carefully. So first of all, we'll open Facebook application and show you our Facebook disabled account, and we'll click on login tab. Here you can see your account has been disabled. You can't use Facebook because your account or activity are on it did not follow our community standards. So right now you can see our Facebook account is now disabled due to community standards. Now what you have to do, you have to log out from here. Now you have to open any browser that you have on your Android and iOS devices. We will open Google Chrome, and now here you have to type google.com. Now here you have to search accessing and downloading. Click on search tab. Here you will see first link accessing and downloading your Facebook information. You have to click on it, and then here you have to select account access troubleshooting, and then further you will see the second option, my account has been disabled, and then you have to click on submit an appeal. Scroll down, click on use this form to request a review. Now here you have to provide your login email address, and then you have to provide your full name. And now you have to upload your ID copy. You have to click on choose file and you have to upload your ID copy. Scroll down, click on send tab. So this is the first step. After doing that, you have to open Gmail and you have to click on compose, and in two sections you have to write on info@support.facebook.com. In subject you have to write down my account was disabled due to community standards. In compose section you have to write down this stuff. The stuff you will get in the video description also. You have to copy this one. And you have to paste here. Now you have to add two things. In Facebook account link you have to add your disabled account link, and in name section you have to use the same Facebook name that was disabled. You have to add these two things, and then you have to click on send tab. Now again you have to open Gmail. Click on these three lines, click on send tab. Here you will see our email is now successfully sent. Now you have to wait for 2 to 3 days. Facebook team will review your request and then they will send an email to regain access to your Facebook account again. So now we'll open Facebook application again. Now we'll try to log into our Facebook account. We'll click on login tab. Here you can see we are successfully logged into our Facebook account, and here you can see the notification also from Facebook side. Now we'll go to our profile, and here you can see we have successfully reopened our community standards account. So in the same way you can also reopen your community standards disabled Facebook account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.